General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leveraged nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 Disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Okay. Take this coffee. Do these charts. So it's a new month. December seasonals for the dollar. Bearish for Dixie. Okay, bonds. Open, high, low, close. It's a bearish month for bonds. Okay. Open here, close here. It's a bullish month for yen. CAD open here. Close lower. So it's bearish for CAD. NASDAQ closed bullish. ES closed bullish. Dow closed bullish. Russell, funny shape, but Russell closes bullish. For December, Bitcoin. Last 5 years it goes up. Last 3 years it went down. Bullish for Bitcoin. ETH flat. The last 3 years it went down. Ethereum is flat. Flat for December. So on here we use the 5 year. Gold. It's bullish for December. Silver is bullish. At 4.75 on target with Bank of England. US and BOE has the strongest interest rate, followed by Australia, then New Zealand. And NZD. Okay, so then we got Bank of Canada and ECB are both at. No, wait. Bank of Canada is next. At 3.250. Actually, it's 3.750. And then European Central Bank at 3.25. Then switch that one. And Bank of Japan at 0.250. Bank of Japan is actually did good by not being at zero. So US Bank of England, then Australia. Well, Australia is higher than NZD. Australia is at 4.35 and NZD is at 4.25. So 4.75 for the US. Back to England. Then Australia is next, 4.3. Australia dollar stronger than NZD. Back at Canada stronger than ECP, Swiss, and then back at Japan. Nipsey took out monthly liquidity. We didn't close above those highs. ZN, we got bearish order flow. Yen, not closing above down candles. It's not closing above down candle highs. Could be retracement expansion. No, we did take out internal range liquidity. CAD sideways for the most part. MNQ we swept that high. So we swept the low and swept the high. Went from internal range liquidity to external range liquidity, and now back in the range. MES, bullish order flow. Dow, bullish order flow. Russell, bullish order flow. UJ took out internal range liquidity and a bearish order flow. UCAD swept external range liquidity. CJ got bearish order flow. BTC is bullish order flow. ETH, we got bullish order flow. Gold is bullish order flow, and we took out external or internal range liquidity. So XAG, which is silver, is bullish order flow, but we took out external range liquidity. So export this. December. The monthly open. I'll have links for going from the monthly open page to the weekly. Okay, so there's no COT this week, but there is sentiment survey, which is the COT before the COT. And we noticed that bullish sentiment went down 4.2%. Cash on the side went down 1.2%. Bearish sentiment went up 5.4%. And we have the bears in charge for last week. Okay. Dollar on the weekly. We got weekly order flow being bearish. I do like 104.951 for a weekly objective. I think I've seen the zoom, but no, not that one. Yeah, I see that zoom, but here it is. Okay. Does kind of bring it in a little bit, don't it? $104.941 for the weekly objective. Daily. Very one-sided. Bearish on daily. No retracements yet. For the H4, not really closing below lows. We might need to run internal raise liquidity before going lower. H1. And the order flow is bearish, but there's a few internal range. A few internal range liquidity pools. I will wait for a premium before looking for a sale. From a one-shot, one-kill perspective. Bonds are kind of turning around. Target internal range liquidity first at 112.070. Daily. Market maker buy model FOBs. Looking for higher prices. H4. Yeah. Nothing changes. H1. Since I'm looking for buys, need discount stop hunt or a discount array, discount bullish array. And on the weekly, and it's bullish. On weekly order flow. Next target 0.006737 now. Daily. Market maker buy model vibes. No, we haven't had a retracement. Also note, this looks like a 3 drives pattern. H4. It's kind of low resistance, so I'm getting low resistance vibes. I'm getting low resistance vibes to the weekly objective. Still thinking market maker buy model. H1. Yeah, it's very bullish. Nothing changes here. And now for CAD. CAD weekly order flow is in accumulation. .71995. Daily, we had a note the daily sound liquidity sweep with the wick. Now I'm thinking higher, even if it's just a turn range liquidity run. Mm-hmm. I like that volume imbalance. And I like how we closed above that fair value gap. That's that area we're kind of accumulating in. Yeah. Looking for higher. Looking for higher. Short term. And here. I like that. That sell side run. I think it's cool. Yeah. Whole highs should be on the move. CME Fed Watch 2. So right now we're at a 66% chance of a rate cut. What's that? The 18th of December? Any significant earnings this week? Salesforce. Chewy's a good company. Some good companies, but nothing I think that's gonna move the market. So I put no top 10 NASDAQ earnings. Some of these could be top 10 in the Russell. Yeah, I have to familiarize myself with that. News every day. It was NFP week. Okay, so NFP week protocol. So Monday through Wednesday, it's okay to trade. Okay, Thursdays is the only time it's regular. This news, PMI 10 o'clock, PMI 10 o'clock, Jones 10. Monday through Wednesday, we have 10 o'clock news. We got employment change Wednesday. Lots of 10 o'clock news this week. From Monday through Wednesday. We got speakers speaking. Powell speak Wednesday afternoon. Monday, Tuesday, 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Then Wednesday, we have 8:15. Yeah, so Wednesday, I'm going to have to break it down. Okay, NLP broke off. Monday, Wednesday. Monday and Tuesday. High impact news is at 10 a.m. 10. Wednesday, high impact news is at 8:15, 10 o'clock, and 1:45. 8:15, 10, and 1:45. Thursday's normal. And Friday is NFP. Yeah, I'm not worried about Thursday. And I'm not worried about Friday. Monday through Wednesday, I should be able to be done. Oh, wait. Let me do logs. That way I could just go to logs. Yep. So weekly open, which is 12-1 to 12-7. 12-1 to 12-7. Got MAQ. Still in the range. Large range on MAQ. But the highs do look like the objective. Daily down candles are not being respected. H4. The last 2 weeks have been choppy. I'm still thinking higher prices. And I think sector rotation is keeping tech in the bind. MEQ, yeah, still thinking higher. Thinking higher. MES, 6100 looks logical. Looks logical for a target. Daily, still haven't closed. Above the old high. And we are kind of ranging. So it's strong, but it's not strong. But not convincing. Yeah. Could do an internal run first. We could do internal range liquidity run first. Okay. So even here, last week was kind of sideways. Especially it was week 5. Okay. Mm, yeah, kind of funky on the H1. Monday was the low. Overall, I'm thinking bullish. MYM. I'll do like 42,500. No, 45,200 is my next objective. This looks like it's priming for internal range. For a internal range liquidity run as well. 45,200. Yeah, kind of sideways last week. I need to see stronger institutional order flow. Even on the H1, it's giving slow. So notes for last week, week 5 in the cycle is usually an off week. And note, it was holiday as well. However you want to look at it. So for the Russell, or the micro Russell, he took out external range liquidity. Hey, internal range liquidity run makes sense here. On the daily, kind of ranging on the daily. Yeah. I'm thinking lower before higher. I'm thinking stop hunting higher prices. Lines up with seasonality as well. H4, yeah. Last week was sideways here too. Yeah, funky price action last week. Well, I mean, Thanksgiving came right on time because it's like, alright, this the day before, this the day of, this the day after. None of that looks cool. UJ on the weekly. Looks like order flow is turning bearish. I like 149.087 is my target. Looks like the start of a market maker sell model. Uh, guess we need looking to sell our pullbacks. Yeah, even here, no good pullbacks last week. No good pullbacks last week, but we did engineer some internal rates liquidity. Friday's high looks good. Yeah, Friday's high looks ideal to pair orders before going lower. You see, nice external rates liquidity run. Internal makes sense now. From the weekly perspective. UCAD on the daily, kind of in the range on the daily. No displacement or fair value gaps to count on good order flow. We soak the high, we're making lower. I mean, lower makes sense for now. Whole weekly lows make sense to pair orders or to offset. Makes sense to be a target first. Selling pullbacks makes sense since the dollar is bearish. I don't know if we make it. Where's my container? Even here, it's still kind of choppy. But higher before lower still makes sense. CJ on the weekly or very shorter flow. $106, $192 is my target. On the daily, nothing really changes here. We got market maker sell model vibes. H1. I would look to get in at a fair value gap level. Okay. Yeah, nothing changes here. BTC, 100K makes sense. Kind of ranging, but still. Well, we had a run on internal range liquidity, bullish daily. For the block held, nice reaction. Looking for higher prices. Okay, here. Okay. I mean, I like this. I like the flow. I like this order flow. Still thinking higher. And I feel like it's just engineering buy side liquidity. And sell side liquidity to use to run stops before higher prices. H1. Mm, yeah, nothing changes here. ETH on the weekly. Ethereum's bullish. Parent order flow is bullish. Daily. Not as strong as Bitcoin, but still bullish. Okay, this is last week. This is the weekend. If not closing, yeah. Lower before higher makes sense. Since we are not getting confirmed closes above down candle highs. Thursday and Friday look too equal. Yeah. So I mean sales make sense here. Even though it looks like BTC is buying. Yeah, gotta follow the chart. Okay, gold. Gold actually looks bullish. Gold is still bullish. These last 3 weeks though do give me sweep both sides vibes or double purge or whatever you want to call it. I don't know. They call it all kind of stuff. Stuff be I know what they be saying, but it be the lingo. Daily. If we close above this daily, fair value gap. I'll look for buys. That pullback could have just been a internal range liquidity run. Right here. Yeah, we're kind of closing through it. Slow PA, but it could have just been holiday week. Very slow week. Yeah, we can run all these lows. I think you're higher still though. After ALT. After a stop hunt. I forgot verbatim the quote from 2022 model. Oh, it's before any significant price move. Before any significant price move, expect a opposing liquidity run. I'm just typing fast because I know how to spell liquidity and I misspelled it. Silver looks bearish. It does. Silver looks bearish. Kind of ranging here. Nope. We did sweep. Mm, Lots of sell side liquidity. This sideways for the most part. Setting up a sweep both sides of weekly highs and lows with weekly highs looking next. Now that's going to be a hard sentence. Sideways for the most part, setting up a sweep both sides. Uh, Sweep both sides 5. Sweep both sides of all weekly levels. There we go. With all weekly highs looking like the next objective. Yeah, that's a big displacement after that sweep. Yeah, looks higher for now. Whether it's just to pair orders to continue, or this is the smart money reversal. Higher makes sense. Okay. Now this is the weekly open. Let's export this. Okay. New month, new monthly open, new weekly open. So we're ready to start our week. And that's it for Charts and Coffee. Y'all have a good day. Peace.